Welcome to the channel and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. Okay. In the previous video we looked at our options for free affiliate marketing traffic sources. Watch that video when you finish watching this one. I will link it in the description box below. In this video, let's take a look at what we're working with when it comes to paid traffic sources, and how ads can help us achieve success within affiliate marketing. 1. Google Ads. Search engines can bring you loads of paid traffic, but the catch is, you have to invest some money first. Depending on what niche you're working with, and what keywords you're trying to rank for, the amount of capital that you need to invest on Google Ads can significantly change. Some niches and keywords are more competitive than others. However, a good Google Ads strategy can do wonders for your affiliate marketing efforts. 2. Banner ads. Banner ads can help you increase your traffic, especially if they are placed on websites with high traffic and if the asset can easily grab the user's attention. Usually, banners can be placed within search engines and different websites, and come in many shapes and sizes. The trick to a good banner is a great design that should invoke both curiosity and urgency. Banners can usually be found on the top, bottom, or sides of a website. When working with banners, make sure they blend in with the overall design of the website you're running them on. These ads work best when they don't feel out of place. The more natural they feel and look, the more traffic you'll get. If they feel out of place, the user might be reluctant to click it. However, sometimes banners that pop work well too, so figuring out what works best requires some research and trial and error. 3. Native advertising. Native advertising is an excellent paid traffic source. These types of ads match the content of the website or platform upon which they appear on. They are ads, but don't feel like ads to end users, especially if done right. Native ads can be found on different websites, platforms, and even some search engines. Native advertising should definitely be included in your affiliate ad strategy. 4. Solo email ads. A great way to drive paid traffic to your website, landing page, or the offer you're promoting is leveraging the power of solo ads. Solo ads can be found in emails or newsletters in which your ad is the only dedicated promotional piece. You can get featured in these spaces by negotiating a spot with people within the industry who run email campaigns or send out newsletters. Once you land a dedicated spot in their email list, high-quality traffic will start flowing, but remember to keep optimizing your ads for better performance. 5. Facebook ads. Running ads on Facebook will also land you a great chunk of paid traffic. Working with Facebook ads is relatively easy once you get a hang of their Business Suite Manager. Their targeting system is great, and you can essentially tap into any audience in the world by using the platform's intuitive tools. One thing about running ads on Facebook, due to their complicated compliance rules, in most cases, you can't link directly to offers, you need to link to a lander first. Also, for further assistance and information, check out Digistore24's Facebook Copy tool. 6. Instagram ads. Instagram ads are another great paid traffic source. If you're running ads on Facebook, you might as well run a few on Instagram too and increase your traffic juice. Luckily, Instagram advertising is highly similar to Facebook's. In fact, you can create ads for both Facebook and Instagram using the same tool, Meta Business Suite Manager. On Instagram, you can place ads in the feed, in stories, reels, and of course, videos. 7. Other social media ads. As an affiliate marketer, the internet is your playground, especially when working with paid ads and social media ads. The key is not to limit yourself to one platform, but to branch out across the World Wide Web. Of course, you have to start small, but once you gain some momentum, checking out other social platforms with high paid traffic potential is more than necessary. Social media ads work similarly on every platform. You create your asset, design plus copy, set your targeting, geolocation, age, gender, etc., allocate a budget and whoosh, your ad is ready to roll. Apart from Facebook and Instagram, here are other platforms where you can successfully run ads and increase your paid traffic: TikTok, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, and YouTube. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you do not miss future videos.